Hi friends, welcome to MX Decor. I hope you all are doing well. Decorating a garden with succulent plants can create a beautiful and low maintenance outdoor space. Here are some tips for garden decor with succulents. In this video, I'm gonna show you modern and most trending succulents plant decor ideas for your garden. Number 1. Select a variety of succulents. Choose a mix of succulent plants with different shapes, colors and textures. This will add visual interest to your garden. Consider using rosy shaped succulents, trailing succulents like spring of bulbs and architectural varieties like edgeways. Number 2. Create focal points. Use succulents to create focal points in your garden. You can do this by planting larger succulents in strategic locations or using unique containers or planters to showcase them. Consider using decorative pots, vintage containers, or even repurpose items like old watering cans or bird cages. Number 3. Play with height and layers. Succulents come in various sizes, so use this to your advantage. Arrange taller succulents toward the back or center of your garden and place shorter ones towards the front or edges. This layers effect adds depth and real appeal. Number 4. Combine succulents with other elements. Succulents look great when paired with other elements like rock, pebbles, driftwood or ornamental grasses. Use these elements to create interesting textures and contrast in your garden. For example, you can place succulents on top of a bed of decorative rocks or surround them with a border of colorful pebbles. Number 5. Create themed succulents gardens. Consider creating themed succulent gardens based on color scheme or plant families. For example, you could create a garden featuring orange succulents with purple hues or a garden showcasing various types of cystis. Themed gardens can be visually striking and cohesive. Number 6. Experiment with arrangements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements and groupings of succulents. Try clustering several succulents towards in a shallow dish or create a vertical garden by attaching succulents to a wall. These arrangements can serve as stunning focal points. Number 7. Pay attention to sunlight requirements. Succulents generally thrive in sunny locations, but different varieties have varied sunlight requirements. Be mindful of the sunlight needs of your succulents and position them accordingly in your garden. This will help ensure they stay healthy and vibrant. Number 8. Practice good watering habit. Succulents are adapted to survive in arid conditions, so they don't require frequent watering. Overwatering can cause root rot, so make sure the soil is well draining and allow it to dry out between watering. Water the plants deeply but infrequently. based on their individual needs. Number 9. Consider seasonal interest. Some succulents produce beautiful flowers or display vibrant colors during certain seasons. Plan your garden to include succulents with seasonal interest so there's always something new and captivating to enjoy. Number 10. Maintain and propagate. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your succulent garden looking its best. Remove dead leaves or spent blooms and propagate healthy succulents to expand your location or fill in gaps in your garden. Remember, succulent plants are diverse and versatile, so have fun experimenting with different arrangements and combinations to create a personalized garden that reflects your style and taste. I hope this video is very useful in choosing succulent plants decor for your garden. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.